welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, hi, my name is Taylor. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I finally have the gorgeous Viva El Glam collection by Madam Glam to swatch and create a gel polish nail art design for you guys. Now this was their May release, however there was a mix up with the collection that they originally shipped out, so that is why this video is a bit late. However, we have 10 new cream gel polishes and I will be swatching them out on my clear swatch stick so that way you can see how opaque or transparent these colors are. So let's just get right into the swatches. So here are all 10 gel polishes swatched, and I did do 2 coats of that yellow only. Every other color I just applied 1 coat, and I noticed that while I was swatching the colors did appear a little bit brighter than they actually are, and that is because of my lights. So in this clip these are the true shades of each color, and I'm actually really loving this collection. It's sort of like a deep version to like your primary colors, and then you have your neutral pinks, the brown and the gray, and I absolutely love that gray. And here is a clip of them matte. Now I am loving them matte. They are so sexy, and I will definitely link the entire collection in my description box, as well as my 30% off discount code if you guys are interested. And go ahead and comment below your 3 favorite colors from this collection. So Madam Glam dropped something new and different this month. They dropped 5 new nail art brushes and a set of gel paints, but I'm only going to be showing you the brushes in this video because I'll be using one of them. So they do come nicely packaged in this tube, and what I love about these nail art brushes is that they have covers on them. You also have your Madam Glam logo as well as the type of brush that it is, and it's in the typical Madam Glam colors, which is your black and gold. So I'm going to go ahead and unpackage all of these brushes, and I'm going to run through each brush individually with you guys really quickly. over here we have the 3 liner brushes, and I'm showing you guys how much of a size difference they are to each other. They differ in length and also thickness of the bristles. And here are all 5 brushes. Now you can purchase these as an entire set, or you can purchase them individually, so I will link them below as well. Now in today's video, I'm only going to be using the long fine liner brush, and I'm using it to test it to see how much I like it. So I'm starting with my Kiara Sky medium square jelly tips and my Madam Glam's Perfect White. Now I am going to apply 1 coat of the Perfect White, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Now I'm only going to be showing you guys this one nail because it's basically the same design throughout the entire set, and I will have all the colors listed in the description box below. And basically all I did was just do a rough outline of a swirl using my brush, and then I went in and started thickening up that line, clean up any excess that I don't want, or if I find that the line is too thick in certain areas, I will take a cleaner brush and some alcohol, and I will just go in and clean up those lines. And I did start with that pink instead of the actual red that is included because I found the pink came over like a bright red compared to actually using the deep vampire red that is included in this set. And I'm just going to be applying my swirls in the order of a rainbow, starting with the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. And basically all I'm doing is following the outline of the first swirl that I drew, trying to keep my swirls as uniform as possible, making sure they are thick in the same areas and thinner in certain areas, so that way it actually looks seamless and like each color is flowing one underneath the next. If you want your swirls to look as though it's cascading down the nail, that pink shade, I would have started with a thinner swirl, and every time I add a new color I would have gotten thicker and thicker and thicker until I reached the last shade closer to the free edge of the extension. But in this case I am trying to keep my swirls to be the same size each and every time. So after completing this last color, I'm going to give this a full cure of 60 seconds, and I am using my Beyond Pro LED light. After curing it, I'm going to apply my Madam Glam's No Wipe Gel Top Coat, and I'm going to cure it again for another 60 seconds. So going back in with the same long fine liner brush, and I'm using the Madam Glam's white gel paint. I'm going to be placing some random hearts and sparkles and dots throughout the rainbow. Well, I don't flash cure every single time, I just flash cure that heart to hold it in place. I actually wasn't happy with one of the placement of the 4-point stars, so I did go ahead and remove that with my cleaner brush and some alcohol, and I went ahead and fixed it. So basically the only heart that I flash cured in place was the first one that I did, and then the rest of the design was just me placing stuff wherever I thought that it was necessary until I was happy with the way that it looked, and then I went ahead and cured this design. Now that my design has been cured, I'm taking my Madam Glam's No Wipe Gel Top Coat and I'm going to coat over the entire nail. Now I do remove any excess product along the sides and across the free edge of the nail. This is going to help to maintain that shape, and then I'm going to give it a final cure for 60 seconds. So I know this was a really short video and I didn't want to do it too long because it would have been really repetitive, but this is what the entire set looks like. I absolutely love how it turned out. My husband said it reminded him of My Little Pony, and it really does remind me a little bit of Rainbow Dash. For me, it reminds me of Skittles. So I do love how this rainbow set turned out. If you did as well, drop a rainbow emoji in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please click on that subscribe button down below and make sure that your notifications are turned on. That way you don't miss out whenever I post a new video. And that is it for me. Check out the links to all these products used in my description box below. As always, I would love you guys to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.